Come, Sayon. Yeah, right now.
There, mommy.
You follow the lines. You hold the pencil properly. Follow the lines down the basket. Go.
I don't know it.
Go, you follow the lines.
Hmm.
You follow the lines here up to here, the basket. Push the pencil. Push the pencil. I cannot see you writing. Oh, push the pencil. Push.
Hey.
Go, push. Go, like that. Go, push. Good job. The other one.
But why?
Go here.
Oh my God.
No, you follow the lines ba? Here.
I don't.
In this one, the broken lines, you follow that one.
I.
Go.
Where's the small one?
Go on na, go on.
But it's too high.
It's okay. You follow the lines ba? I said naman already.
I don't know.
Are you listening?
No.
You're not listening. Why?
I pretend.
This one ba, the lines? You follow that one.
What?
You follow ba? Go. You follow the line. That line. Go. Good job. Push the pencil. Oh, can you see your writing?
Yeah.
Push the pencil ba? Push. Go, push the pencil. You push the pencil. I cannot see what you write.
See?
Your color now. What color do you like? What color is the leaf?
Red.
You color the leaf. No, what color is a leaf?
Red. Good leaf.
Oh, that's okay na. Hold properly. Hold. Go. Enough na ba? Enough na. Enough na. Go. Enough na. Push. The leaf only, not the trunk. Not the fruit, ha? The leaf only.
Where's the water mango?
What?
Where's the water mango?
That's a lot of mangoes. It's just small. It's not too many.
Yes, it is many.
Don't color the trunks and the fruit. The trees only.
I do. You are trying. I'm ready now.
And many more pa. Oh, here. Here. Many. You hold the paper with your other hand so it will not get dirty like that. Here, up here.
What's that?
Not yet here. Oh, many more.
Many.
Go. Not the fruit. Zion.
Help me, mommy. You're waking me up. What's that? You looking?
Oh, many more.
Let
Come
me
on.
back.
Like that ba? You push the pencil like that. Like that color, like that. Oh, see? Like that. Color again here, up here.
What up? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. What's that?
What's the color of the fruit?
Orange. Orange. I want orange fruit. Orange mango. Orange mango. Mango. Orange mango. Orange mangoes.
The mangoes only. How about the trunk? What is the color of the trunk? You put
Green.
brown. You put brown.
How's green?
You want green?
Green.
That's not the right color, Sayo. You're being silly only.
I told you.
No, the trunk only, okay? The trunk.
Dad?
Here pa, oh. How about the baskets? What the color of the basket?
Yellow.
Okay.
Yellow package.
Color properly. It's not like that, Zion. Each basket is different.
The one?
How about the grass? What the color of the grass?
Brown.
Oh, go.
Brown. I love brown. The brown.
Okay. Grass. Hold the paper like that. Grass only.
Dad, mommy?
How
Make
about
it
here?
wrong. What? I make it wrong?
It said here. This one, oh. This, excuse me. You circle the same picture like this. Where is the same picture here?
A dog?
Is it a dog?
Yeah.
What this?
A horse.
Oh, where is the horse here?
Here.
Oh, you circle. Good job. How about what this?
A wheelbarrow. Where's the wheelbarrow?
Oh,
That one?
you circle the wheelbarrow. That's a wheelbarrow.
Yeah.
Good job. How about what is this?
A mice.
That's a mice. Oh, where's the mice there?
Here.
Good job. Oh, how about what this?
A nest. You
Good
the nest.
job. You color that one.
Oh, what color is this?
Huh. What color is the horse?
Red.
Okay.
Like what red horse is?
No, you hold the pencil up. The horse only, yeah, you color only the horse.
Here, Mama.
How about the pom-pom?
It said pom mommy.
What?
It said the poop in the
what's
toy with
that?
the pom pom. A whole pom pom.
Yeah, what about the cat? What the color?
Not the cat.
What this?
Not the cat. The
What?
cat.
You hold properly. You how to hold the color properly? How?
Huh?
Like that. You
And how about mice? Black.
You hold the collar properly.
And but now,
Yeah, good
so
job. Say
tired,
bye-bye.
Mommy.
You're so tired. What did you do?
I think let's put it so make it long, Mama. See?
What's that?
Orange mangoes,
Mhm.
orange red leaves,
What's supposed to be the color of the leaf?
green.
Green. Why did you put there?
Oops, so an
Oh, what is the color of the mango? What is the color of the mango? What's the color of the mango?
Yellow.
Why did you put orange?
Yes, sir. And red leaves,
Yeah. How about the trunk? What's supposed to be the color here?
green.
The trunk
A green trunk
is brown.
and yellow. Yellow
How
back.
about the grass? What's the color of the grass?
Green.
Why did you put brown?
I'm sorry. And basket.
Basket. What's the color of the basket?
Brown.
Why did you put yellow?
I did make it happy.
Mm-hmm.
See?
What's that?
Hot red. Wheelbarrow blue. Mice black. That's red.
What is the color? What's the right color for the horse?
Huh? It's got to be red.
Yeah, what's the color of the nest?
Wow, two and leaves. And green too. Make it long, Mama.
You make it wrong?
Yeah.
Why?
I didn't make it long.
Why did you make it wrong? Did you do it on purpose?
Yeah.
What's your purpose? Give me your bag, big bag. Do you like your bag? Do you like your bag?
No. Make it long.
You make it all wrong? Oh, careful. You put it back there. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye here. Oh,
Bye-bye.
like that your hands.
Bye.